Birmingham Interchange is a planned high-speed 2 railway station in the metropolitan borough of Solihull, West Midlands, England. Expected to open in 2026. The station will be on the other side of the M42 motorway from the National Exhibition Centre, Birmingham Airport and Birmingham International Railway Station. The interchange will be connected by a people mover to the other sites. The Airail Link people mover currently operates between the railway station and the airport. Whittaker Link. In June 2013, a £240 million to £280 million plan was proposed to reopen the Stonebridge Railway in order to link Coventry and Birmingham Airport to an interchange station on the proposed high-speed 2 London-Birmingham line. As of January 2014, the proposal has the support of Bob Ainsworth and Christopher Pincher, Members of Parliament for Coventry North East and Tamworth; Paul Keogh, Chief Executive of Birmingham Airport; Jeff Inskip, Chief Executive of Centro; Birmingham City Council and Transport Minister Stephen Hammond. As part of these plans, it is proposed in a document in June 2013 that the new railway line could have its own 4-platform interchange with the planned HS2 interchange at Birmingham Airport. In the document it says, the link would have its own 4-platform station on the restored railway alongside the planned HS2 interchange. These side-by-side stations would also be connected to a new international terminal where passengers could check in for train services to continental Europe via the Channel Tunnel services.